Here's how you can get great savings on your UI performance by pooling your widgets. First, the actual widget type, parented from a user widget. Then, a world icon widget of the type previously made that will contain some basic UI elements to use. A subsystem so the pooling logic is grouped better. Here in the CPP file, the actual logic for the pooling. Initialization, registration, warm-up, and finally the pooling itself. Everything put into a component so it can easily plug in any actor. Lastly, just for creating a good test case, a pool tester actor to compare between the pooling of widgets and, as I called it here, the naive version of adding the widgets manually each time. And, in the editor, a nearby actor to test toggling it on and off, and an actor made from the pool tester actor, and the UMG widget itself, parented from our world icon widget. Don't forget to add the pool tester actor blueprint into the level. And to test it again, can see around 7 times faster when creating them as compared with the manual version, and then, upon reusing them from the pool, around 140 times faster. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching!